The future millionaires and billionaires will not be programmers, creators, or salespeople. They will be AI tool power users. Take a moment and let that sink in, because this is not a theory. It's not speculation. Right now, there are people waking up every day, opening their laptops, and using AI tools to generate income that most people would think takes teams, years of experience, or expensive software. And the shocking part? Many of them don't even have advanced skills. They don't have coding degrees or marketing certifications. What they have is the knowledge of how to use the right AI tool strategically. And that knowledge is creating financial opportunities that are almost invisible to most people. Meanwhile, countless others are stuck grinding, trying to hustle harder, working longer hours, and still struggling to make consistent money. The sad truth in today's economy, effort alone is no longer the deciding factor. Execution, speed, and leverage are. And AI gives you leverage like nothing else. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are not just cool tech. They are practical, actionable, and capable of helping you make serious income, potentially hundreds of dollars every single day. And the best part? You don't need prior experience. You don't need a team. You just need to learn to use these tools correctly. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to apply them. And you'll see why people who master these tools early are the ones who will dominate the next wave of wealth creation. Let's start with the first one. Imagine you're a freelancer trying to write proposals for clients. Hours pass, your brain feels fried. You stare at the blank screen and nothing comes out. You know you could be making money, but the time to even get started keeps slipping away. Now imagine a tool that acts like your personal assistant, ready to help you brainstorm, structure, and write everything faster. That's ChatGPT. Most people use it casually, asking random questions or playing around. Power users, on the other hand, build structured workflows around it. They generate multiple drafts of proposals, email sequences, blog posts, and content outlines in minutes, not hours. I know one freelance used to spend 6 hours writing a single client proposal. Now, using ChatGPT, he completes 5 in a day, freeing up time to reach out to more clients and increase his daily revenue. Another example, a small online course creator wanted to build a digital product. Instead of spending weeks drafting lessons, writing outlines, and editing content, they used ChatGPT to organize modules, refine scripts, and even generate examples for exercises. What used to take weeks now took days, and they launched faster than their competitors. This is where most beginners miss the point. The AI doesn't replace your thinking. It amplifies it. It takes the effort you already have and multiplies it. That's the difference between struggling for hours and producing output that can generate hundreds of dollars in a day. And if you're thinking, but is it really possible to make $750 a day with just one tool? Let me tell you a real story. One independent consultant started using ChatGPT to generate content ideas for small businesses. By automating proposals, email campaigns, and social media posts, she managed 5 clients at the same time. Each client paid $150 a week for content packages. Do the math. That's $750 weekly with part-time effort. Multiply that by refining and scaling, and daily income potential becomes realistic. Now, let's move to something visual. Humans are wired to respond to images. Attention is currency online, and businesses know it. That's why Canva AI is our second tool. If you can create attractive graphics, thumbnails, social media posts, or add visuals quickly, you suddenly become extremely valuable. Here's an example. A small restaurant wanted weekly Instagram posts. Before AI, a designer might charge $200 for a package and take days to deliver. Using Canva AI, one freelancer created polished and brand-consistent posts in a couple of hours, and it can charge $50 per set of visuals. By serving multiple clients, she easily reached $750 per day without overtime. Another story. A travel consultant wanted digital templates for promoting destinations. One person designed reusable AI templates, then sold them to hundreds of clients. Instead of trading hours for dollars, they created digital assets that sold multiple times, turning a small-time investment into scalable income. Now, pause for a moment. Most people think they need perfect design skills to monetize this. That's wrong. The value isn't perfection. The value is speed, consistency, and reliability. You can out-earn someone with better skills if you're faster, consistent, and solve problems. That's the pattern most beginners miss. Let's continue. Video dominates attention today. And historically, creating videos took cameras, editing software, and hours of work. But with Pictory AI, our third tool, you can turn scripts into videos automatically. Clips, captions, transitions, generated in minutes. Here's why that's huge. Businesses need videos for marketing. YouTube channels need content. Social media brands need reels. And most don't want to learn editing. By offering AI-powered video creation, you can serve clients efficiently. One entrepreneur started a YouTube automation service using Pictory AI. He produced 5 videos per day for multiple clients. Each video generated $50 in client revenue. Do that consistently. Daily earnings reached $750. And that's just one part of the system. But the advantage isn't only client work. You can produce your own content faster, grow an audience, and monetize via ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Attention is leverage, and AI helps you get it faster. Here's a curiosity gap. What if the first 10 videos fail to make money but teach you exactly what works? Experimentation is invisible profit. Each attempt compounds learning and positions you for bigger wins. The fourth tool is Jasper AI. If the previous tools help you create, this one helps you persuade. Marketing copy, add text, landing pages, product descriptions, words sell. Businesses spend thousands testing headlines and emails. Using Jasper AI, you can produce variations quickly, optimize messaging, and help clients increase conversions. Here's a story. An online store owner needed ad copy and product descriptions for a new launch. A freelancer used Jasper AI to generate multiple versions, refine them, and submitted optimized content. The result? The launch exceeded expectations, and the freelancer earned $500 for a single week's work. Multiply across multiple clients. $750 per day is possible. Another angle. Many beginners think AI lowers value. They use tools and sell low-quality output. Power users combine AI speed with human judgment. The combination is highly valued. Finally, the fifth tool is Zapier automation. This is the behind-the-scenes multiplier, connecting apps, automating repetitive tasks, triggering workflows. Businesses hate manual work. One person learned. Zapier built automation pipelines for small businesses and charged $200 per setup. With just a few clients a week, income exceeded $750 daily. Efficiency is invisible but measurable, and measurable efficiency carries financial value. Now let's step back. None of these tools alone magically generate money. Income comes from solving problems, delivering results, and scaling output. Tools remove friction, speed execution, and multiply your effort. That's the real power. Let's talk implementation. You're starting from zero. No clients, no portfolio, no proof. Mistake number 1, waiting for perfection. Mistake number 2, trying every tool at once. Mistake number 3, underestimating small action. Instead, pick one tool, spend a week learning it. Experiment, produce something, share it, refine, repeat. For example, generate 10 content proposals with ChatGPT. Refine them. Send them to small businesses offering AI-assisted services. Observe responses. Adjust. Scale. Or create 5 graphics sets using Canva AI. Offer them to local businesses. Collect feedback. Package templates. Sell them multiple times. Or produce 5 short videos with Pictory AI. Test engagement. Optimize. Multiply. And always combine tools. ChatGPT plus Jasper 4. Most viewers will watch this and do nothing. Not because they can't, but because they hesitate. The difference between someone making $0 and $750 daily isn't intelligence. It's engagement, curiosity, experimentation, and consistency. Another mindset shift. Perfection isn't the goal. Iteration is. Early attempts will fail, but feedback compounds learning. The more you produce, the more patterns you notice. The faster you adapt, the faster income grows. Visualize yourself 12 months ahead. Consistent effort applied to AI tools. If this video opened your perspective, take action now. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Your future income potential is built by the decisions you make today, by the tools you choose to master, and by the effort you combine with AI. Start now. Stay consistent. Learn deeply. Apply intelligently. And I'll see you in the next video.